Hey guys, Tom from Let's Shell here. Today I want to talk about how you can make $10 extremely fast. I know a lot of you don't want to get rich. Maybe you just want to make $10. So most of the opportunities about the list can generally earn you $10 in less than 1 to maybe 3 hours. It just depends on what you're going to sign up for, how hard you work. Some of the options about the list, however, can take much longer than 3 hours, so keep that in mind. And no, you don't have to apply for a job, nor do you have to wait to be approved. Most of these strategies are legit. If you've watched any of my videos, you know I'm always honest. I'm straight to the point. So with that being said, let's jump in and see how you can make $10 within the next hour or two. Okay, so number one, this is my favorite option on the list. It's SWAGBUCKS. I mentioned it a million times over. I've earned over $1,000 a year using this site. You just need to know how to use it. And you can earn in a few different ways, but mainly you're going to earn through surveys or you're going to earn through the offers section, which can be seen on your main page. And whether you use desktop or your phone, it's going to look the same way. So let's first look at the offers. You're going to scroll down and you're going to want to look for the featured ways to earn. That's a good section, as well as the trending now section, which is right here. So if we were to click on this featured ways to earn, you'll see a variety of offers, and keep in mind that one swag buck is worth a penny. So this is a $100 offer, this is $105, $35, and so forth. And actually, I just did this offer the other day for this Views Vapor, and all you needed to do was spend $25 and they would give you $100. So it's better than spending $25 to earn $75. That's what's known as a moneymaker. No, I don't smoke, I don't use these products, but I just found that why not make 75 bucks to take advantage of this offer? You can see a lot of offers like these, and there's other ones where you don't need to spend money, such as playing these apps or completing a survey. You just have to browse through them and just make sure when you click on them, it's going to tell you exactly what you're going to have to do. So as long as you follow those 3 steps, you can earn the SWAGBUCKS mentioned there. Now, not only can you earn through offers, you can also earn through the answer section, and these are your surveys, and this is going to earn you points quicker because the offers can often take up to 30 days to post in your account, but they're going to pay the most. So for example, if we go to the page here, I usually like to sort by the time to complete, and again, every SWAGBUCKS worth a penny, so this is 75 cents, $1.25, 75 cents, and so forth. And if you wanted to earn $10, just start dishing out these surveys and doing them until your balance is at 10 bucks, and then when the time comes, you can cash out for your rewards. You're not going to apply for all these surveys because qualifications, usually you're going to qualify for maybe 10 to 20% of the ones you click on. But when you do sign up, make sure you fill out your profile, and you'll get paid for doing so, and that way the survey companies know who you are so they can send you targeted surveys. And once you earn that $10, you can go to the redemption page, and you're going to notice that there's a ton of options, whether you want PayPal, Amazon, Visa, anything, you name it, Domino's Pizza, they're going to have it. And if you really want to take advantage, go to the on sale rewards because you can get even more for your SWAGBUCKS. $10 is an option on PayPal, but if you want to cash out for $5, you can. The smallest amount at the moment is $1, but if you do go low, it's going to be $1.40, so that conversion rate is a little higher, but as you can see, if you're patient enough to wait till the 5, you can get 500 SWAGBUCKS. This is the highest rated site. You can make $10 pretty quick. Once you cash out, it's going to take about 48 hours to get your money, so it's not extremely fast, but it's one of the best ways to get 10 bucks if you need it now for whatever reason. Survey Junkies, kind of like SWAGBUCKS, but they only focus on surveys. So if you just want to answer survey questions, don't want to do the offers, this is one to consider. Every point's worth a penny, and you can see the dashboard. It's very simple to understand points, how long the survey is going to take. If you want to take it, just click on the Take Survey. So 40 cents, 60 cents, 80 cents, and so forth. And to cash out, you only need $5 minimum. And the great thing about this site is once you reach your minimum balance, you can get your reward in certain situations. It's going to be instant. But if you're a first-time user, you may have to verify your account through a brief phone call or verification in other regards. This is one of the better sites. It's well known. If you've ever looked for ways to make money, you see it pop up. Again, you're not going to qualify for every survey you take on the site, but these surveys refresh throughout the day, so keep checking in. This one you can easily make $5 to $10 in a day. Just keep taking the surveys till your balance goes up, and this one you're going to get paid a lot faster than a lot of the options I do mention on this list. MyPoints is another company. This is ran by SWAGBUCKS, same exact company, and you can earn in a variety of ways as well. You have the surveys, you also have your deals and shopping, which is like the offers that you can see there. You can watch videos, but you don't make a lot of money in videos. Same with games and whatnot. So you're just going to want to focus on the surveys as well as the offers. It's going to be the same thing. The only difference is that these points, every point is not worth $1. Instead, they have a wackier setup, and I'll show you here. If you go to your redeem points section here, if you go to the $3 gift cards, let's say for example, and you wanted a $3 Amazon gift card, it's going to be 480 points. $10 gift card is 1580. So as you can see, the points are worth less than a penny in most cases. Again, you just have to do the math. What I usually do is when I see these points, I just usually say, hey, if it's 100 points, then it's probably worth 50 cents. So I just cut it in half. So for example, this 500 would be worth closer to 250, but it's a little higher, but I think you get the point here. When it comes to redeem, you can have a variety of offers. $3, they only have 2 options right now, but the 5, and as you click on, you're going to get more and more options to cash out, such as PayPal. If that's what you want cash, you're going to need at least $10 in points, which is $15.90. And when it comes time to getting that reward, you can see right here on the frequently asked questions page, typically takes about 4 to 5 business days. You'll get a notification when it comes through. MyPoints, again, is by SWAGBUCKS. It's a very reputable site, so check this one out. It has a lot of offers and surveys as well that can keep you busy. Another one I want to mention here is the Amazon Mechanical Turk, and this is where you can work 24 hours a day and complete many tasks, and a lot of them pay a couple cents each. And I'm going to show you, here's my dashboard, for example, and you're going to notice right away is that a lot of these pay a penny to 7 cents and 10 cents, and it's not a lot at first glance, but what you're going to notice is that a lot of these tasks are only going to take you a couple seconds. So if you can duke out 100 tasks quickly, that's $1. But you're going to have to make sure that you're doing the right ones. It's going to be a learning curve of sorts, but this is one to earn $10 pretty quick right when you learn how to use the site. So for example, if you were to click on this receipt one, you just have to extract data. Would it be worth a penny? Probably not. Most people say you're going to want to shoot for the higher one. So for example, this one might be good. 5 minutes to earn 60 cents, and there's over 1,000 tasks. A multiple choice question one for 5 cents. That one could be okay. Again, you're just going to have to learn how to make money using this platform because it is a learning curve, but there's always tens of thousands of hits to complete. And once you get good at it, I've read people making $40, $50 a day, but you're not going to be good right away. So don't be discouraged. It's a great way to make a couple bucks on the side. You won't get rich, but it is a good way if you need to earn money now, especially if you only need $10 or so. It's a great way to log in when you please, and you can cash out whenever you hit your goal for the day. INSTAGC is another one that I like because they pay instantly, and you can see you only need $1 to cash out. You can look at all these people cashing out pretty quick, and you can earn in a variety of ways as well, downloading apps, clicking on things, surveys, tasks, trials, videos. Most of your options are going to be in the survey section, but there's also a section like the trials and the offers, but I wouldn't focus so much on the offers there because you're going to pay more in SWAGBUCKS, at least for my research. So if you go to the survey section here, what I like to do is just click on one of these, and then it'll load up a variety of surveys, and you'll just start completing them like the other ones. Just pay close attention to the time it takes to complete, and every point's worth a penny here. So this one looks like a good one. This will be 4 minutes for 55 cents, 55 points. Same here, 55 cents for 3 minutes, 45 cents for 3 minutes. And if you were to knock out this one, this one, this one, and this one in less than 15 minutes, 10 minutes, that's already $2 towards your goal, and these will refresh. And again, the nice thing about this site is that you have a gift card store as well as PayPal. I've used them a couple times and cashed out multiple times. It's very legit, and the great thing, like I said, is that you can get paid almost instantly in most cases, and it's a great way if you need $10 or you just need a couple dollars. I'm pretty certain you could earn this pretty fast. So another one I've had a lot of luck with is Prolific. In fact, this is a site that I've used a lot. It's probably my #1 survey site right now. And the thing I like about it is that it's not like your traditional surveys that deals with products. Instead, you're helping out researchers at colleges. So anything you're going to take deals with educational purposes, research, and so forth. Let me take you to the dashboard here. This is what it's going to look like. Anytime there's studies, it's going to show up in this dashboard, and they do go fast. So what I recommend is you either download the extension or you just keep your tab open, because your tab will alert you whenever studies refresh, because you do not need to refresh your page. Studies will appear here automatically, so you just click it and take it, and as long as you pass the attention checks and answer the questions honestly, you'll get rewarded. And then make sure you complete this About You section, because you're going to see there's a variety of things that these researchers will want to know about you, and they're targeting certain people. So these little prompts are very quick to answer, but they're going to help you get as many studies as possible. The company pays out on Tuesday and Friday via PayPal, and it's very easy to hit $10, I promise you. I've made $10 in a day before, but it just depends how often you're at your computer and how quick you are to grab these surveys. But if you started today, I guarantee you within the next couple days you could have $10 easily. And the great thing is they pay out PayPal, and it's pretty fast. It's free to join, and you're helping out education, academic. So if that's your sort of thing, I can promise you that it's going to be one of the better survey sites that you take. Just look online, go to like the Beer Reddit subreddit, and you'll notice that a lot of people promote this site, and I promise you it's for a good reason. The last one on my list is an app called QUICKTHOUGHTS, and I just wanted to mention it here because I've had a lot of luck with this site as well. Just about every survey that I complete on this app, I usually qualify for, and every survey pays at least $1 plus. That's the great thing. But now the only downfall is when you go to the rewards, you only have 2 options at the moment, and they only offer iTunes and Amazon. But to me, Amazon is just as good as cash. So if you needed something on Amazon, the great thing is once you hit $10, you can click this redeem and you get your prize instantly. You get that code sent directly to your email. Again, it's just Amazon and iTunes, and fill out your profile and you can easily earn $5+ a day. And this is app only, there's no desktop version, but it's one of my favorite apps to earn. Surveys are usually pretty quick. Just when you click on it, it'll tell you how long they are. So for example, this one's a 20-minute one. I usually steer clear of those. But if we go to another one here, this one's 15 minutes. And sometimes I'll find that they're quicker than 15 minutes, but I try to shoot for those 5 or 10-minute surveys. And these are fresh throughout the day, so you can always find a constant stream of surveys to do. Okay, so those are just a few of my favorite ways to make $10 fast. I do have a blog post I linked in the description of 30+ other ways to make money. There's so many other ways besides the websites that I mentioned, from signing up as an Uber driver to donating plasma. There's other apps. I just didn't want to make this video too long. I usually try to keep them under 10 minutes. So check out that link and scroll through all the options. I try to give you as many honest options as possible. As you can see, $10 isn't too hard to earn within 24 hours. Just have to do a little bit of work with it. Follow the links in the description if you're interested in any of it. As always, I just promote good stuff that works. As always, check out lushDollar.com for the many ways to make money and save money. Just be smart with your money. Anything I promote, I promise, is always honest. Check out the videos as well. You can always comment, like, subscribe, whatever you want to do. That's going to do it for now. I'll see you guys next time.